The orders are obeyed and the battle is won. But these senators scheme, squabble, and flatter and deceive. Maximus, we must save Rome from the politicians, my friend. And I count on you when the time comes. Highness, when your father releases me, I intend to return home. Home? Well, no one's earned it more. Don't get too comfortable. I might call them before long. Lucilla's here. Did you know? She's not forgotten you. And now you're the great man.
If only you had been born a man. What a season you would have made. Commodus will accept my decision. You know that you command the loyalty of the army. Need some time, sir. Yeah. By sunset, I hope that you will have agreed. Now embrace me as my son. And bring an old man out like you.
My father favors you now.